I fixed the Tomy narrow gauge engines. So Scarloey, pretty minimal. Just give him the Oliver side rods. Nothing too crazy. Reneus, just give him the full side rods. Cut off the old fake ones. Just give him the normal side rods. Do you want to know why? Because in the show, he's an 040. That is how he's supposed to be. Scarloey, he's an 042. Reneus is an 040. So yeah. Same with Sir Handle. He is an 042 like Oliver, so just give him the Oliver side rods. Same with PP Sam. So yeah. Just give him the side rods. Rusty, all I really did was make his porthole a little bigger. Nothing too drastic. Duncan, we just better. Just squish him down, Give him one little AAA in there. Got a perfect Duncan. So, yeah.